Hi everybody, it's Lee Levenstein. Nice to see you. Today we're going to talk about how do we get a cage code? How do we get an account with the government? A lot of people find it a little confusing. A lot of people out there that are advertising that they'll help you get a cage code. And if you reach out to them and pay them a fee, they'll create a cage code for you. They'll walk you through it. To be very honest with you, it's all a waste of money and a waste of time. You can do it yourself. You can go on sam.gov and you can apply to become a new entity. And by becoming a new entity, there will be a questionnaire, maybe about a 10-page questionnaire that you'll have to answer questions about. And you'll just walk through, and there's all multiple choice. They'll give you the options of how to answer each question. And then after those 10 pages are filled out with information, and you will be applying to a cage code with the government. It's going to take a little bit of time to obtain that cage code, maybe a week, 10 days, but then you get an email with your new cage code. And once you have that cage code, you'll be able to bid, win, and supply government contracts. Now, to create that cage code, you don't really need a lot. All you need is a company. That company has to have a bank account, and you need to register with Dun & Bradstreet. Just look up Dun & Bradstreet online, look up how to create an account with them. You don't need to pay them anything, it's free. There is no requirement for you to have a Dun & Bradstreet credit rating or anything else that they might try to sell you. Just create an account and get a DUNS number. A DUNS number is what allows you to begin your entity creation in sam.gov. And once you have that DUNS number and your bank account and your our articles of incorporation of your company, you are able to go in and create that cage code. Take you maybe about 10, 15, 20 minutes online to create that application. And then within a couple of weeks, you'll get an email with your new cage code. And once you have it, you can bid and win government contracts. Hope that helps you out. Don't go pay anybody to create that cage code. It's a waste of money. You can do it yourself. It's not that complicated. And if there's any question during the questionnaire, during the application that you're filling out online in sam.gov that you're not sure how to answer, shoot me an email and I'll be there to help you. Hope that was helpful. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for listening.